There it is. Just a minute, we'll get the notification. Check this out. We got the Stang Banger with us today, guys. We got the Blazer. Journey Gang's out with us, man. Notification. There it is. Check this out. First thing I seen when I pulled up, I wanted to park right next to it, is this C10, but there's quite a few vehicles here tonight, guys. We're gonna get them checked out, and there's another spot down the way that we're gonna stop and check some stuff out. So we're gonna get this flipped around and give these a go around, and we'll hit up the next spot and another video here in a little bit. So stay tuned, guys. Let's check this out. Stang Banger, he's out with us. We give him a go around since we're over here. Man, the sun coming off that chrome is crazy. I got to get some pictures. Definitely. Man, look at the wheels and everything on this. The bed's done up, everything, guys. Let's check this out. This is a C10, I think. Man, look at this. Ooh, he's got the air ride and everything. Man, that's nice back here. These wheels, these big wheels too. I think they're 6s. They look like 6s, I can't see. No, they're 4s. Right here. He's got them on what does it say? 295/25 ZR24. Yeah. That's the same width as the one that was on the Blazer last year.
We're going over to look at this now.
Oh, are they? Is it over there?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go over and look at Todd's car here in just a minute. Man, look at this interior, guys. I like this, man. I could drive this truck. Look at that. And it's got the candy on the sides. Man, I like this. Look at these mirrors. Super clean, super clean. You see that? Damn. Yeah, somebody's fuzz buster's going on. Custom C10 for sure it is. This is nice, guys. Drop. We'll get up underneath the hood here in just a second, man. This truck is gorgeous, man. Man, look at this. Look at that. Edelbrock, everything, man. Well, if you see this, man, check this out. This is what you need for the box, brother. Right here. Yes, sir. Man, that'd be nice, nice. This truck's gorgeous, guys. We'll get it on the angle here. Let's see. Yeah. Look at that, guys. And then, you know, Journey Gang, he's out hanging out with us. Chevy Gang, it's the Blazer. You guys see plenty of this, plenty of this. I like this truck, man. Jonathan, he's got the Journey out with us. We caught up with him up in Elkhart. The Dodge over here, and a GTI. There's a Mini Cooper over here. The Camaro race car. We'll see. I don't know where they got him. I think I seen it. I think he's over here. Let's see if we can make our way around here. We're gonna get Todd's real quick, guys. Man, we're busy. This is Wholesale Kings, man. That's where we're at. Let's see. Where'd they go? Let's see, guys. There it is. There it is. Let's get over here. Wholesale Kings right there in Elkhart, guys. That's where we're at, right there. You see it. I seen Jeffrey Plank and Crystal pull up in a minute. Jeffrey did some new stuff to the bike, man. Jeff got it going on, JP. Yeah, that bike's nice, man. We're gonna get it on here in a minute. Oh, he's over here hanging out with Todd, checking this out. He must have left the bike over there. Boy, we're gonna go for a ride. Yeah, there it is. What up, Todd? Chevy Gang, baby. Nice. Damn. And it's white.
What up with you? Yeah, you see what happened was.
Man, look at this. You see this, Melvin? Man, he got some stablemates to hang out with at the meets this time, boys. Damn. You gonna pull up next to him, Stang Banger? You gonna roll him? You gonna do it? You gonna let me get the clip? I'm gonna get the exclusive. Live from Mexico.
Yeah. Live from Mexico.
What? Yeah, we're gonna go to Mexico and race, because there's no laws there, ain't that right? You can go. Explain it to him, Justin. That's Colombia, Jonathan. Look at this. He got the big roof in here. Yeah, it's clean, guys. SS. This is a 2SS trim level. I'm all in his business. Todd, you're going to have to forgive me at least one time, brother. Man, guys, we definitely have to go for a ride in this. And you know, Todd, he'll take us for a ride. He'll enjoy it, man. This is nice in here, man. Look at the mirrors, everything. Clean, clean. Can we look under the hood, Todd?
Put it in.
We was talking about your bike a minute ago, man.
What about it?
We told him you did some new stuff to it. We're gonna get it on the camera tonight.
Airbag blew out.
Oh, did it really?
Yeah.
Oh man, the other one?
I got dirty air on the way.
Oh man, yeah, nice. So what's it got, Todd?
6.2.
6.2. Quad turbo. Double clutch, 12 speed. Damn, look at that, guys. Nice and clean. Well, look at the size of that intake, dude. It's the size of your waist, Justin. Damn. Nice under here, guys. Nice. Front ends are always so nice.
You ain't got me or Nate bombing that video. You got her.
Yeah. Man, we gonna go around this right here. This CRV something. Nice, guys. Check it out. Ooh, got the quad exhaust. Damn. Start up for us, Todd. Can we hear it? Oh, let's get back here, guys. You gonna fire it up? See that? He didn't hesitate. He reaching for keys. He likes this already. Here, he likes this already. Oh yeah, that's probably it. Oh yeah, nice. Listen to that, guys. And look at that. Yeah. I think it's 18. 18, ain't it?
18.
Yeah. 18 2SS. What up, brother? Man, you look good too. Let's see it. You put the top down for us? Yeah, let's see it. Woo, here it goes.
I gotta put my shade up, bro.
All right. This is nice too, man.
It's a 2018.
Yeah. This is a RS, ain't it? Yep. Man, I like them wheels. That's what I need for my Blazer, man.
Hey, what year is your Camaro?
2018. Get out of the road, bug. Man, I like that color too. Hey, Justin. Those kind of wheels on my Blazer, man. Those look good on there, wouldn't they? Yes, sir. Step back, bug. You got a car coming, brother. I'm gonna shut your door right quick. Man, that thing sounds good. Todd's already liking that. I bet it's quicker too. Oh, is the subwoofer box? Oh, you gotta move. Oh, you gotta move all that to put the top back, don't you? Man, I'm telling you, that drop top, I'd have this on big wheels. Yeah, man. What's your name, brother? Carlos. Nice to meet you, man. I like your car. It's nice, man. Thank you for showing it to us. You're gonna be on Trap My Ride, man, on Facebook and YouTube. Yeah, you remember Trap My Ride. Yep, you'll be on there. It's live right now. Hell yeah.
You hear what Todd said?
What Todd say?
Todd, what'd you say?
Oh yeah, he said he's gonna head down there. All right, come on, bud, get out of the way. All right, we'll see you in a minute, Todd. We'll be down there. Shoot, man, I'm telling you, man. Yeah, I like that. What's that?
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. That says 63.
C10 income.
He said I ain't rims. Look at that right there. Man, the shade 20 degrees cooler, man.
Yeah,
Woo. Boy,
Very sweating.
I was thinking to myself right there for a minute, man, for real. Damn. Are you having fun, Jeremiah?
Yeah, I mean,
You rode with the Stang Banger on the way up, didn't
yes,
you?
I did.
You have a
And,
good time?
Yeah.
Get back away from the curb a little bit for me.
You should have got
Somebody
what
beat me.
happened.
between
Oh yeah, you was in there with him, wasn't you?
Yeah.
Oh man, and he run, what was it, a Jaguar F-Type?
Yep.
Stand this way, come here. Tell us about it a little bit. The
Um,
Sangbanger right here. Get in the interview with him right here.
So apparently, we were like there was like this Jaguar in front of us,
What kind of Jag?
like an F-Type.
All right.
I think it was like a convertible. I can't remember.
So, you guys raced the Jaguar F-Type on the
Oh,
way?
no, I think he raced us because he started honking his horn at us.
Oh yeah, he wanted to run him, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, so you gave him a little bit of the Stanger. Oh man, did you get him or did he get you?
He got him.
Man, damn, he got him. Well, that's all right.
I was like.
We'll get him again one day. We'll come back. That's how we do it. All right, watch your step, Bug. This is the Mini Cooper. They got this out. Man, this is a nice color, man. I like this. This color would look great on the mini truck. Boy, they got it cleaned up. Nice, too. Jonathan, you right in a cut. Ooh, look at this. Yeah. It looks good, guys. This little Cooper looks good. I like this little car, man. You know how much fun you have in this? It'd be like a go-kart.
Not my type.
There he is. Let's... Look at this, guys. This is some sort of like Civic Wholesale King. Well, they got him a race car out here. Damn. Moto Tech. Damn. This thing ready to go. They got the Hoosiers and everything, man. Look at this. Man, they firing up. Sounds like they're going down the way. How's it going, brother? It's a nice ride. You going down the way too? Alright. I think everybody's heading up the way. I think we're going to get around and we're going to head up the way with them. And there'll be a lot of stuff up here. Look at this, guys, right here. Rolling, man. Yeah. It was good. There's Johnny. Man, look at this. We didn't get this. Man, it is hot in the sun. I need some AC in my life right quick. Man. Gorgeous Camaro. Look at this. Got the Transformers. This is the Bumblebee, man. Look at this. He got it done.
You gotta calm down right now. I'm comfortable, Tom. You gotta breathe or just do whatever it is that you do. I'm calm. I'm not touching it. I'm barely touching it. Turn my physical car right now.
That's awesome, man. That is awesome. This is great. So is this a limited edition or is this custom?
Custom.
Custom? It's nice, man. It's a lot of detail. It really does look good. Yeah.
There's all kinds of stuff inside.
Yeah, we'll definitely look at it in there too. Look at these headlights, guys. He got them all done up. Everything, man. You guys see this up underneath here? Yeah, that's definitely cool, man. Look, he got the big badge on the side. Everything. This is a nice looking car. Got the yellow brakes. Man. See this in here? It's yellow. Stankbanger. Ooh, look at that. Bumblebee on the floor. Got the stitching up there. Everything, man. Boy, that thing sounds mean, don't it? Man. Go gadget wheels. Got it badged up, boys. Look at that. Even the bow tie is done. He got it all badged.
I'm Optimus Prime, and I send this message to any surviving Autobots taking refuge among the stars. We are here. We are waiting.
That's really nice, man. Thank you for bringing it out, letting us see it. This is great. West Park Auto LaGrange, Indiana is what it says. Camaro right here. sounds good. Stang gang. Journey gang. Let's go see this dude right quick. I still got the camera rolling, but you know where we're going down there? All right, I'll just follow you then here. Jamie's on the phone, but we'll follow you here in just a minute. Man, that chrome, I'm telling you, I got a sunburn just from us coming off that chrome. Man, this is nice, guys. We get another look at this one time. They did a solid job on this. This is a beautiful truck, boys and girls and boys. However you self-identify. Yeah. But alright guys, that's what it is. That's what we're out here doing. Tell them, Journey Gang. What's up, Jonathan? Journey Gang. You having a good time, man? Are you having fun? Yeah. Are you glad you came out with us? Yeah, everybody should come out with us, shouldn't they? Everybody who walks need to come out with us if they're local, don't they? We all need to just show up together. That's what we need to do, for real. But that's a good time, guys. We're going to get here in the Trap Blazer. We're going to follow the Steak Banger down to the other spot. We're going to get out there and get the camera out, too. Maybe I can find some shade or some AC in the meantime, but that's what it is. Man, I'm going to get this in the clip as we go. That's what it is, guys. Keep on trapping. We'll see you in the next clip.